The United States, US, will again send a military aid package worth 300 million United States dollars, RP, 4.4 trillion, for Ukraine. For the first time, US military assistance will include advanced short-range rockets that can be launched from the air. As reported by Reuters, Wednesday, the 5th of March 2023, Hydra 70 is an unguided type rocket, made by General Dynamics, which is launched from the air. This type of rocket is usually launched from a pod attached to a fighter aircraft. These types of rockets could help Ukraine weaken the ground position of Russian troops and provide air support for Kiev's ground forces, as it plans a spring counteroffensive to retake areas occupied by Moscow forces. Two U.S. officials, who declined to be named, revealed that the latest military aid package for Ukraine would be officially announced on Wednesday, 3/5 U.S. time. The latest military aid package for Ukraine, according to the U.S. official, will include a 155mm howitzer gun. In addition, ammunition for the High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, HIMARS, and howitzer guns, as well as TOW anti-tank missiles and mortars will also be delivered to Ukraine. Demolition equipment and several trucks are also included in the latest military aid package. The U.S. officials warned that the latest military aid package was still being finalized and could change at any time. The military aid package for Ukraine is funded using the Presidential Withdrawal Authority, PDA, which authorizes the U.S. President to transfer goods and services from the U.S. supply without the approval of the U.S. Congress in emergency situations. Those supplies will be drawn from excess U.S. stockpiles. The latest aid package will be the 37th military aid the U.S. has approved for Ukraine since Russia launched its invasion in February 2022, totaling nearly $36 billion. The delivery of the latest aid package was announced at a time when the U.S. Congress and the White House are at odds over how best to avoid defaulting on the nation's debt. With many Republican politicians demanding sharp cuts in domestic spending to offset the lifting of the debt limit. But politicians from the two largest U.S. parties are adamant in their support of continued aid to Ukraine. Some of the support came from senior Republican politicians such as U.S. House Speaker Kevin McCarthy and veteran U.S. Senator Mitch McConnell.